Hello, this is Cecil Gilliard. This is my final project for CSCI E33a, Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. For my final project, I decided to do a to-do list web application. Allows users to register a new account and log in with that registered account and create different tasks in a list. And then play with those tasks. It's a lot easier for me to show you as opposed to telling you. So let me just make a new user here. Say an easy password. And we'll register. Putting in my username. Log in. And that brings us to the main screen. You can view all of your tasks, if any. You can create a new task. You can see your tasks that are due. And you can see your tasks that are completed and log out. So we'll just make a few tasks. Let's do maybe this weekend. Submit. New task. Let's say workout. Let's say leg day. That's for tomorrow. New task. Final. That's definitely due tomorrow. Okay, and when you create tasks, you can click on the task and view a more detailed view. You can toggle whether the task has been completed or not. And if a task has been completed, it'll show up in your completed tasks and still look at the task that you have due, still to complete. See your all tasks. If you'd like to maybe delete a specific task, like maybe you don't feel like working out tomorrow, you can go ahead and delete that task. So this is it. Thank you.